How to manage video notifications on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage video notifications on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click this three lines there and then go down until you find here settings and privacy. Click on it and then click here settings and go down again and you will find here notifications and then click this one video, and as you see here you can manage anything you want on video notifications and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's how to manage video notifications on Facebook mobile. And don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.